Kids learn domestic animals. Horse. We ride on the horse. Horses are also used for transport. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Sheep. We get wool from sheep. Goat. Goat is used for milk and meat. Bull. Bull is used for bullfighting. Pig. Pig is used for pork and leather. Donkey. Donkey is used for carrying heavy loads. Rabbit. Rabbits are used for their wool and fur. Camel. Camel is known as sheep of the desert. Camel can travel for long period of time without food and water. Dog. Dog is used as guard and hunter. Cat. Cat is a pet animal.